Now let's see how we can download the SCADA software in the computer. The good news is it's an open source software. It's a freeware software. So you can install that in your computer and it can be done in just 3 minutes. So for that there's a link, inductiveautomation.com. So let's go to this link and see how you can download that. So I'll type inductiveautomation.com. This is the company which is making a SCADA software by the name Ignition. Alright, so the SCADA name is Ignition. Now in this website you can go to the downloads, which is over here, and you can go to current release. Alright, and in that release you will find some freeware download software. That's Ignition 7.7.3 for Windows 64-bit. If you have a Windows operating system of 32-bit, you can go to this link, or if you're using a Mac, you can go to this link. If for Linux, these are the different links available. Alright, once you click on that link, it will start downloading. Okay, this is one step. You just need to fill up this form and that's it. And they will also send you a fully functional serial key to access the SCADA software. So that is also totally free. So just you have to download from this website, Inductive Automation. In the download in the Ignition, you'll find for all your system architect. Alright, so if you have any doubt, give me a comment, and this is the website, you can note it down. Alright.